Tom here from West Country Tech, and this video is all about our lifetime warranty package. What is the lifetime warranty? Lifetime warranty is our version of our support package, and that is for people who have either got a quotation with us, they've got a system installed and are considering bolting on the lifetime warranty, or don't have a system, we've quoted and you're considering adding it on at the quotation stage. Lifetime warranty is four things. You get lifetime warranty on all hardware. You get unlimited phone support and unlimited call outs for as long as the direct debit is going out. You get one visit from an engineer every single year, and that includes cleaning the cameras, updating all hardware, whether it's cameras, the recorder, the wireless links, and testing and even giving you another full handover. What tends to happen with a lot of systems is you get it installed, especially if it's a security system, it's doing its thing, it's whirring away in the background. You don't have to ever go near it because it's doing its job. You haven't had to look at the recordings. And then a year later, you've forgotten how to simply log in and look at the playback. Well, that lifetime warranty is going to include the engineer to come out and give you another run through. It's very simple. If you don't want to take the lifetime warranty, completely fine. You get your standard 1-year warranty and the guarantee. If you do in fact wish to take out our lifetime warranty, the price is going to vary based on the size of the system, but just to go over it one more time, lifetime warranty on all the hardware, unlimited call outs, unlimited phone support, and also a visit from an engineer once a year to clean, test, and update the system. It's a no-brainer.